AI just rewired my mindset with one sentence, and it changed everything. I've been stuck in the same negative thoughts for months, procrastinating, overthinking, doubting myself, until I asked AI for help. AI said, "You are not defined by what you fail at. You are defined by how you start again." Wait, that actually hits deep. That's me. Just reading that one sentence made me pause, and suddenly I felt lighter, calmer, and motivated to take action. My mindset shifted instantly. The crazy part, it wasn't about learning new habits. It was about seeking myself differently. One sentence completely rewind how I think. Do you want me to let AI rewire my mindset every day for a week? Comment rewire if you want part 2 and follow for updates.